Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Aisect University. So first of all, you have to open a Google Chrome browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top, there is a URL section right over here. And you simply need to type Aisect University and enter it after you're done. And here we can see there's an Aisect University right over here, the official website. Click on that option in order to open the page. And here we could see we just landed to the official homepage of Aisect University, and just in the right hand side there's an online admission right over here. Click on that option, apply now, and you get into an interface like this. Here we could see there's a new applicant. If you are new to make an account, or if you have not enrolled or registered yet, you can simply type down the necessary requirements that is need to be filled, and you can simply click on the register right on the bottom. And we are here to log in, so simply need to click on this section and type down your mobile number, and you can also send OTP, and click on the send OTP, and then you'll receive an OTP in your mobile number, and then you simply need to type down your OTP after you received in your phone, and click on the login, and you need to verify right over here. And after that, you simply need to click on this login option, and then you will be successfully logged into Aisect University. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.